Today we are going to discuss about Venn diagram and its application. Let's go to our PowerPoint presentation. Two programs were broadcast on television at the same time. One was Big Game and the other one was iStars. A company uses boxes attached to TV sets to determine what shows are actually being watched. In a survey of 1,000 homes, their equipment showed that 153 households were watching both shows. 736 were watching Big Game and 55 households were not watching either game. How many households were watching only iStars? Okay, let's go to our virtual blackboard. Okay, let's draw our Venn diagram. Okay, so this is our Big Game. Okay, let's call this as our Big Game, and then the other show was iStars. According to the problem, there were 153 households watching both shows. So we put 153 here because 153 is the intersection of the two sets. And still in the problem, there were 736 households watching Big Game. So if we subtract 153 from 736, the value that we will get is the number of households watching Big Game only. So this is 3, this is 13, this is 8, this is 5. So therefore there are 583 households watching Big Game only. And still in the problem, there were 55 households not watching either game. We put 55 outside of the two sets because these 55 households were not watching either game. And going back to the problem, there were 1,000 households surveyed. So if we add 583, 153, and 55, and then subtract the value, the sum, we subtract that to 1,000, the value that we are going to get is the number of households watching iStars only. So let's add up 583, 153, and 55. This is 11, this is 19. So if we subtract 791 here, so this is 10, 9, so this is 9, this is 0, this is 0, and this is 2. So therefore 209 households were watching iStars only.